Now, question number 1 is integration of 2x upon 1 plus x square dx. We cannot separate this function. The formula is not applicable here because it is a fraction. 2x upon 1 plus x square. But here children, 1 plus x square, derivative of 1 plus x square is 2x. Therefore, this is the format of f dash x upon fx. So we have to substitute the function by one variable. Let 1 plus x square is equals to t. Then 2x upon 1 plus x square is substituted by t. But what about dx? Dx can be substituted by t, that means dt. Therefore, differentiating both sides with respect to x. So 1 plus x square is 2x is equals to dt by dx. So here the value of dx is dt upon 2x. In the given question, 2x is as it is, 1 plus x square is t, dx can be replaced by dt upon 2x. 2x and 2x get cancelled. The whole question will be integration of 1 by t dt. No x is here, all the x are replaced here by t. Now this is in the form of integration. We can do integration for this. 1 upon x, integration of 1 upon x is log of mod x dx plus c. Therefore 1 by t dt is log of t plus c. In place of t, we have to put the value, that is 1 plus x square. Therefore, integration of 2x upon 1 plus x square is equals to log of mod 1 plus x square plus c. Second question. Log x का whole square upon x. Then integration of log x का whole square upon x into dx. Now here children, the differentiation of log x is 1 by x. That means log x is a function and its derivative is 1 by x. Therefore, we have to substitute log x by one variable. So let log x is equals to t. Differentiating both sides with respect to x, log x is 1 by x is equals to dt upon dx. Therefore, dx is equals to x dt. Put the value, log x is t square upon x into dt into x. X and x get cancelled. Here this is t square dt. That means x square dx. Integration will be t cube by 3 plus c. In place of t, log x whole cube by 3 plus c. Question number 3. This is most important board question. Integration of 1 upon x plus x log x dx. We need to take first of all x as a common, therefore the factor is x into 1 plus log x dx. Since we know that 1 plus log x ka differentiation is 1 by x, therefore definitely 1 plus log x is a function and 1 by x is a derivative of this function. Therefore 1 plus log x can be substituted, and it is substituted by t. 1 by x same as dx is x dt. Replace here 1 by t dt, log t, log. In place of t, we have to put log of mod 1 plus log x plus c. Question number 4 is sine of sine cos x. Integration sine x into sine of cos x dx. Now, sine x is a separate function and sine of cos x is function of function, composition of function. Therefore, since we know that cos x ka differentiation is sine x, therefore cos x can be treated as function and derivative is sine x. So let cos x is equals to t. Then dx will be dt upon minus sine x. Put the value sine x as it is. Sine cos x is t. dt upon sine x and minus will be outside. Therefore, minus of integration sin t dt. Sin t, integration of sin t is minus cos t. Therefore, minus of minus cos t plus c. In place of t, the value of t is going to be replaced, that is cos x. Cos of cos x plus c is answer. Question number 5. Integration of sin ax plus b cos ax plus b dx. If sin is derivative function, then cos is its derivative. If cos is function, then sin is its derivative. We can take any one as a function. Here sin ax plus b is equals to t. Doing differentiation, dx will be dt upon cos ax plus b into a. Okay, then you have to put the value and do it. Question number 6. Integration of ax plus b. Ax plus b to the power 1 by 2. Put ax plus b is equals to t, that means dx is equals to dt upon a. Under root t into dt upon a is constant, therefore it will be outside. 1 by a, integration of t to the power 1 by 2 dt. T to the power 1 by 2 is t to the 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2, and this is your answer. Same as question number 7. Integration of x under root x plus 2 dx. Put x plus 2 is equals to t. Then dx is equals to dt. In place of x, it is t minus 2. Because when you put x plus 2 is equals to t, dx is dt, only x is here left. That means at this step we can't do integration because two variables are there, and definitely x should be replaced by t. Here x is t minus 2. Put the value. T into under root 2 t is t to the power 3 by 2 minus 2 root t, and then we can do integration and put the value of t. Same as question number 8. X into under root 1 plus 2x square. 1 plus 2x square is replaced by t. Put the value, and the value will be under root x root t dt upon 4x 1 by 4 integration of t to the power 1 by 2 dt, and you can do it by yourself. This is the answer. Question number 9. Same format. Under root is there. Under root terms is going to be replaced. X square plus x plus 1t. Then put the value here. Question number 10. 1 upon x minus root x. Again, this is most important board question. X minus root x, that means we can take root x common. This one will be root x minus 1. Now children, root x, differentiation of root x is 1 by 2 root x. 1 by root x is there. So we can take root x minus 1 is t. Put the value of dx. You will get 2 integration of 1 by t dt. That means it is 2 of log under root x minus 1 plus c. Same question number 11. X upon root x plus 4. Under root x plus 4 is there. Then put x plus 4 is equals to t. Replace whole the question by t and then do integration. Question number 12. X cube minus 1 whole to the power 1 by 3 into x5. Fractional power is there. Therefore, x cube minus 1 is replaced by t. Dx is dt upon 3x square. Put the value here. This is t to the power 1 by 3 into x to the power 5 into dt upon 3x square. That is 1 by 3 outside, integration of t to the power 1 by 3 into x cube upon x cube into dt. In place of x cube, you can write t plus 1. This should be plus 1. Okay. Then after 1 by 3 integration of t to the power 1 by 3 into t plus t to the power 1 by 3. Okay, this term is 1 by 3 plus 1 plus integration of t to the power 1 by 3 dt, and this you can do it by yourself. Question number 13. X square upon 2 plus 3x cube whole cube. Since differentiation of x cube is x square, 3x square is there. Therefore, whole 2 plus 3x cube can be replaced by t. Put whole the value dx should be replaced, and then you will get this one, and this is the answer. Same question number 14. 1 by x log x to the power m. Log x is function. Then after you can do the function will be integration of t to the power minus m dt, and then do integration. Same question number 15. X upon 9 minus 4x square. Differentiation of x square is 2x, therefore 9 minus 4x square can be replaced by t. Then do integration. E to the power 2x plus 3. Put 2x plus 3 is equals to t. Then it will be e to the power t dt by 2. 1 by 2 will be outside. Then do integration. Question number 17. X upon e to the power x square. Put x square is equals to t, because differentiation of x square is 2x. Then you will get the answer. Question number 18. E to the power tan inverse x upon 1 plus x square. Now children, since differentiation of tan inverse x is 1 upon 1 plus x square, therefore tan inverse x should be substituted by t. Then dx will be dt into 1 plus x square. When you put the value, the question will be e to the power t dt, that is e to the power t plus c. T is replaced by tan inverse x. Here I have explained question number 1 to 18, rest 19 and 20 you have to do it by yourself. And your today's homework is complete question number 1 to 20 of exercise 7.2.